Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to fold a chip bag. First, make sure your chip bag is mostly empty and standing upright. Smooth out the top edges of the bag, removing any air to make the next steps easier. Then, take the top two corners and fold them inward, creating a neat triangular point at the top. This initial fold sets the foundation for a secure seal, keeping your chips fresh. Now that you have your triangular top, begin rolling it down towards the remaining chips. Make sure to keep the roll tight and even across the entire width of the bag. Continue rolling in small, consistent increments, pressing out any air as you go. This creates a compact and sturdy seal, preventing your chips from going stale quickly. Aim for a firm, uniform roll. After rolling the top down, you'll have a compact roll. Now, turn your attention to the bottom of the bag. Flatten the base, ensuring it's even and stable. Then, fold the very bottom edge of the bag up by approximately 1 inch. This upward fold creates a sturdy base, helping the bag stand upright and further securing the contents. It's a simple step that adds significant stability. For the final step, take the tightly rolled top section and tuck it securely into the folded bottom flap you just created. Press down firmly on the entire folded bag to ensure everything is locked into place. This method creates a surprisingly strong seal, keeping your chips fresh for longer. Don't forget to check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Enjoy your perfectly folded chip bag.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.